CRE Brahmans would like to invite you to our 8th OL Bidders production auction at Bella Bella on the 25th later this month. CRE Brahmans is proud to once again bring outstanding quality genetics to the auction ring. First up is Lot 7, CRE 2254, Sir Royal Prince, a young bull that embodies balance, masculinity, and breed characteristics. A bull that walks well with a commanding presence and strong pedigree. This is a Romeo son, a Phase C bronze merit bull. This is a rare opportunity to secure a top stud sire. Next up are two pregnant heifers, Lot 28, CRE 2253, and Lot 29, CRE 2260. Both these heifers are 5 months in calf to Generaal GDF 2003, one of our current herd sires. Lastly, we have three young 23 heifers in Lot 42, CRE 2322, a very feminine Romeo daughter. Lot 59, CRE 2337, and Lot 60, CRE 2343. Of special note is Lot 59 and Lot 60 that are only two general daughters on sale. CRE Brahmans remains committed to quality, functionality, and long-term improvement. We're looking forward to welcome you to Bella Bella on the 25th.